Hi, my name is Jen Danielle, and this is one of those ads that you see on social media where someone wants to tell you how to use your good camera. But this ad is different in two ways. First, I'm telling you it's an ad, and second, there is nothing for sale. I truly want to help you. I believe that the overwhelming majority of the information about photography from experts is just wrong. It's not through bad intentions, it's just through lack of experience. I've been taking amazing pictures of my family for the last 10 years. And for the last year, I've been helping people do one thing and one thing consistently, and that is use their good camera so they can take amazing pictures. I've taken over 110,000 pictures. And through that experience, I've learned that a lot of what is out there from photography experts is wrong. Let's break it down. What you hear is that you have to pose an image to have your image really turn out great, when actually the opposite is true. And that is not because posing is bad, it's because it's human nature. People want and enjoy pictures that have more of an emotional connection. So it's up to you to snap the shutter right when you see that spark of connection between two people. Anyway, if you would like to know a simple way to get started with your good camera, then I have a free on-demand class that you can sign up for. Just let me know where to send it and I will get it to you. And it will take you through 3 simple steps on getting started with your good camera so you can take amazing pictures. So if you would like to see a proven way that is helping people get amazing images, no matter what kind of camera you have, Sony mirrorless, a Canon, a Nikon, then just tell me where to send that training and I will get it to you. And I do hope it helps you a lot. I know that I wish I had it at the very beginning of when I started taking up photography. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you soon.